What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And today, man, it going down, man. Gonna be some action in the building. But for now, finna help wifey shoot her video, man, cause she finna drive this thing, man. I don't know if she gonna drop before me, but I already know this probably gonna be a funny little video. This is her first time legit driving this car, like really showing how to operate the shifter and all that. You know what? This her first time driving with the new engine. She ain't never drove this thing. She don't even know how it feels. She rode in it that time, but they're gonna be her first time driving with the new engine. She drove with the other one, but so they're gonna be her first time. So we about to shoot that. And I'm about to get a shovel, man. I don't know how all this mud and got up here, man, but it covering up a lot of the concrete. So I'm finna get a shovel, man, and this got to go. They got to go, man. So I'm finna get to that too. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, look, we checking in, man. So, boy, I like the man down, boy. Woo-hoo-hoo. So yeah, look, I moved Dolo so I can get my boy out right here, man. Called Jesse. My boy Jesse, man. He on my Facebook. I had put up my reel, right? Jesse said I was spinning. Jesse said he might have to drag me. So I was like, hey. I said, Jesse, sound like smoke to me. Sound like smoke. So I told him, boy, I said, you pull up, we might shake some. Cause that's my boy, you know. Friend, I said, we might shake some. So we gonna see if he really gonna pull up. But if he do, I'm on go mode. So that's what we got going on today. So, man, I should dump that water off there. So I'm getting old brown coat out, man. Y'all know, right now, I'm at the mercy of the transmission. I really can't do nothing but leave it in drive, but I'll try my luck. I'm a old pro stock driver. Nah, I need to take this thing off anyway, man. Condensation. That way that water done roll down this thing. But yeah, man, I'm gonna take this thing off. Feel pretty good. Wifey just got finished driving Dolo, boy. I can't wait to see edit that video. I cannot wait to see edit that video. But she did. She turned that bad boy loose. She did turn that bad boy loose one time. I gotta say that. So, but I'm finna get this thing uncovered, man, and move Dolo somewhere cause it's blocking driveway. And I'm gonna check back in. All right, y'all. But look, man, what I'm about to do. In the meantime, I got my AK out, man. I ain't shot this thing. I ain't shot this in a minute. The rosewood. I love it. I love that color. I love that rosewood. I still want one with the classic wood too. Classic wood stock. With AKs, I really like them. I like them in stock form. I mean, so I'm probably not gonna trick my AK out, but when I get another one, I'm gonna get one, like I said, with the classic wood finish and all of that. Cause I love AK platform over AR. I like AR, but I like AK platform. So I was thinking about it, man. I got these new steel mags, and y'all saw the other day. This is a 40 rounder. So I'm about to see how it's cycling and all that. And like I said, man, reason I don't be firing on the vlog, cause they be tripping about firing the mags over 30 and stuff. So I just don't fire it if it's over 30. If it's 16 or something like that, cool. But other than that, you know. But I do be putting it up on my Instagram, man, from time to time. And wifey, we're gonna do a vlog. And my little brother, man, he really educated on this, man. My little bro Brand. So his channel coming. Y'all gonna see that. It's gonna be a lot of stuff. That man really into it like me too. But like I said, oh yeah, the range, the home range, it's finna get on the motion, man, like this month. So we about to get that kicked off this month. Like the area gonna be really, honestly, y'all, since it's just a matter of clearing the area, it's gonna be done, man. Like it's gonna be done this month. The area gonna be cleared. It's gonna be like a rough grade on it. But it is gonna be clear, so you know you can start shooting and stuff. But cause there's nothing back there, it's just trees and stuff. There's nobody, you ain't gotta worry about nothing. So it's a good area. But then I'm gonna get a wall. I'm gonna get a wall built and stuff. Probably 30 yards. Target's gonna be 25 yards or closer. And then you're gonna have a wall, you know, so you can catch the ammo and stuff. Then I'm gonna start doing ballistic tests and stuff like that. Like I like to do penetration. I like looking at penetration tests and stuff. Cause me, I carry firearms and stuff mainly for defense, home defense. Like I don't hunt or none of this stuff. But it primarily for defense, man, defending yourself if needed. I always believe in using these first, but the fact of the matter is people don't use these, they don't fight. People scared, they don't fight. So, you know, you got to be trained to go, basically. So that's what I'm about to do, man. But you want to see it, man, you can, if you're on my Instagram or you're on my Facebook, y'all probably seeing clips here and there. So, yep, y'all stay tuned. Y'all check him out, man. Right when I get ready to shoot, he pulled up. He pulled on up on me, y'all.
Man, that was a long ride.
What?
That was tough right there. It made it though.
Uh-oh. What you saying, Jesse? It's a real street car though, eh?
It's a real street car, but you know, it's kind of finicky, man. They don't like to get on the highway when they got gears in them like that.
Oh, yeah. Nah, man. Back roads.
Yeah.
Back roads.
I hopped on 20 and rode out.
You did?
Yeah.
Did you record anything?
Oh, yeah.
Look, I told you. I told you I figured he gonna record, man, if he pull up. So, man, y'all, I want to see that. I want to see that on their vlog channel.
Yeah.
They're gonna be lit, y'all. So, yeah, man. We finna see what we get into today, man. So, y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, look, checking in, man. Y'all seen, man, just record Jesse, man. He done pulled up for real. Look at it. He done pulled up in this thing, man. So, we're gonna see what it do. First time seeing this one in person with him. So, this on the Mickey Thompson. So, what I'm probably get brown coat. Probably play around, man. GoPros and stuff on the camera. Got my boy Flex over here. Y'all know Flex always. When Flex around over here, y'all already know what's gonna happen, man. Y'all make sure y'all go subscribe to his channel too. It's on the screen. Another Day with Flex, Lawless Street Car. Y'all make sure y'all go subscribe. My bro Jesse. And say it, man. We finna gonna have a little fun. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. We taking in, man. Crank this thing up. Ooh, we need some gas. Probably be alright. Might be alright, y'all. Let me see. It's gonna be here. Here right here gonna be fun, y'all. Like I said, I can't do no manual shifting, but what it's about, man. Two friends having fun. That's how you do it. On my back, get thing up. Ooh, I need some petrol, boy. Let me see. Get the GoPro put on. They're gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. Hey y'all, we checking back in, man. We checking in. Y'all see I'm in the house. I looked going through the footage. I said, I ain't even close my people out, man. I ain't close y'all out. So like I said, man, yeah, we made it happen, man. It was a little showtime, whatever. Like I say, I got the GoPro stuff on mine. It was fun. It was a fun day, man. It was a fun day. Fun day. Brown coat slipped by, got the W. Jesse did excessive spinning. I spun too, but you know they are Nitto radios. He had Mickey Thompson street radios, and man, you slid on by, but that boy left some mean marks, boy. He left some mean marks, man. So I already know Jesse, man. Jesse gonna be he gonna be coming back. He gonna be coming back, man. The kid, they about to go bananas. But yeah, man. Like I said, fun day. Good day. That's how it's supposed to be, man. Friend having fun. Shout out to Flex too, man. Flex, ultimate cameraman, man. When it come to this stuff, man. Flex on point, man. Y'all make sure y'all go subscribe to his channel. Another Day with Flex. That's WIT. Another Day with WIT Flex. Man, y'all go subscribe. He got that twin turbo Crown Vic on 30s. And like I said, we got this drop, man. But Jesse got on his channel. I want to see Jesse got the better view of the action, man. He got the better view of the action, like the outside view, man. Cause y'all got to see that Joker clean up the road, man. I'm telling you, boy, painted the road. Brown coat spun, and cause you can see it on the GoPro. It shook, and I went in it right when he went in it. Cause I looked over. Cause we were right there beside each other. We can look through each other's mirror and look. So I looked over. I heard it. I said, Jason went to it. I went to it. And man, we got a little close to each other too, though. We got a little close, but like I said, man, it was fun. I can't wait till his video drop so y'all see. I think he said he's gonna drop his today too, at 2 or 3 or somewhere up in there. But I can't wait to see his drop, man. Cause he got the outside footage. I saw it. Y'all gonna want to see it. Believe me, y'all gonna want to see the outside footage, man. Cause that joke. Whew. But they gonna get it, man. That's gonna get it. We finna close this one out. You gonna close the video out? You don't even know what I say. You don't know what I say? Yeah. What I say when I close the video out?
I just had a brain freeze.
She don't know. She be cap. Ain't even putting it on her cause she don't even know. But that gonna be it, man. So I'm gonna catch y'all later, man. BCG, we out.